Alright, this is also very nice today on the 25th of July 2023. Here's Malmin Kauppatie, Malmshandelsväg 6 SG here. I filmed this Texas D&D before here, Fåfors here. It's here in Malmi, Helsinki, Helsingfors, modernized Finland. It was built in 2000, turned 20 years old in 2020, and in late 2000 because it has the new Kone logo here. And the number is 70417. It's going to be expected this year, in 2023, and it deserves 2 rides. Still very nice.
Yeah.
And we still have to get the status as A, B, C, and F here.
Yeah.
Because I filmed the status as D and A before.
Yeah.
So we can check those on. What is coming?
Yeah. Ispackkiväis, maintained by Kone.
I don't know if it has the...
Yeah. Yeah, from same like almost always, but it should have the downside. But
Yeah, it could have been.
yeah,
It's very often that they have taken the same
yeah,
time or up and down. And I don't know why they often chose the same portal
yeah.
directions, so it's weird. That's it, thanks for watching.
That's